back pain after a long drive or flight.
Long sitting reduces movement variety and can make the low back feel stiff and sensitive. A simple standing exercise can help. To feel better, let's try a cobra standing.
Begin in a standing position with your feet shoulder-width apart. Place your arms behind your back, palms facing downward, for an easier version. As you exhale, gently arch your upper torso backward, directing your gaze towards the ceiling. Hold this position for 10 to 20 few seconds, maintaining a gentle arch in your back. Breathe in as you slowly return to the starting position. Repeat this movement 10 times. You can practice this exercise up to 8 times throughout your day, especially if you've been sitting for extended periods. This simple movement can greatly aid in relaxing your back and preventing recurrent back pain. Your back will indeed be grateful for these regular stretches.
Life is too short for back pain. Healactively.com